Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Elemental Catnap. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the nose with a rounded triangle. Now on the sides, let's add the eyes. We'll start next to the nose and let's draw a curve out on both sides. Then in the center, let's draw two curves going up. And then a wavy line up on top. And then close off the shape of the eye with a curve on the sides. Next, let's hop inside the eyes and let's draw a circle near the bottom. And then another circle inside. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath the nose, let's draw two curves going out and up. Then curves at the ends. And a larger curve underneath. Now inside the mouth, let's add the teeth. Let's draw two lines down from the top. And a curve across at the bottom. Now in the center, let's draw a line down. And then two more on both sides. Then hop underneath and let's draw two bumps for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides next to the eyes and let's draw two V-shaped points going out. And the same on the right side. And now a curve underneath for the chin. Now for the top of the head, let's hop up and in the center, let's draw a curve up and down on both sides. Now on top of the head, let's add the ears. Let's start with a wavy line up and back in, and the same on the right. Then let's add another point underneath. And then curve it back down. Next inside, let's draw two curves coming up to a point. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's draw curves going down and meeting at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the necklace by drawing a C-shaped curve. And then another curve inside to form a crescent shape. Next, for the zipper, let's draw two lines down the center and then continue it below. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Underneath the head, let's draw a curve out and up. And the same on the right. And another set of curves underneath in the same way. Now let's close off the end of each arm with 3 V-shaped points like this. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve up and back down for the thumbs. Then a small curve going out. Now let's draw the next finger by curving it up. And then another finger up. And then a curve across the bottom. Now for the next finger, let's step in and let's draw a curve up on an angle. And then curve the last finger up and curve it all the way back in. Lastly, for the hands, let's add a curved V shape at the end of each finger for the fingernails. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body on the left, let's draw 2 curves going out and back in like this. And the same thing for the right leg. And then close off the end with 3 V-shaped points. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw a curve out and back in. Then another curve. Then one more. And then a curve to close off the back of the feet. And that's it for the main part of the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start under the body in between the legs and let's draw a curve over to the left side. And the same thing on top. Now let's continue both of these lines over on the left with a wavy line up and back down. And then close off the end with a curve. And that's it for Catnap. Now let's add some stars. Let's draw 2 stars on the bottom left here. Then one on the right side. And now let's add some on top above the head. And that's it for Elemental Catnap. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!